Hi, little artists. Welcome back today. We're going to draw a cool school bag. Step by step. Grab your pencil and let's get started. Let's start by drawing a big U shape. This is the main part of the school bag, where all your books go. Draw a line at the bottom. Let's add two curved lines on the sides. Those are the shoulder straps. Next, let's draw a small rectangle on the front. This will be our handy front pocket, perfect for pencils and snacks. Awesome! Now it's time to color your school bag. You can use any color you like. I'm using yellow and blue today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more fun drawing videos.